In this video I will tell you that how to remove stain from images in Adobe Photoshop. So here you can see that we have this stain here. So how you can actually remove this stain from the skin. So you will first create a hue and saturation adjustment layer by tapping on this here, and then you will tap on hue and adjustment layer, and then you will click on this hand tool, and then you will tap on the stain, and then you will take the hue to the all the way to the right and saturation to all the way to the right, and then you will play with these settings here and make sure that just the stain is selected here. Okay, so here you can see that now just the stain is selected here. If we move, because if we move it right, you can see that the skin is selected also. Okay, so we don't want that actually. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here, we will actually reduce it here, and now we will play with it until the stain matches the skin. Okay, so here you can see that it is now matched the skin a little bit. No, not here. No, sorry. So you get the idea that how to remove the stain. Okay, so you just have to play with it. Okay, so after this one you will just select your hue and saturation layer, and then you will press Ctrl plus I here. Okay, and then you will select the brush tool from here and make it like increase its size like this one, and make sure that the foreground color is white, and then you will just like tap on this one here, here. Now it's not fully removed, but I told you the idea that how you can actually remove the stain. Okay, so if you just keep doing this until you remove it from your picture. So here you. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.